Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Galaxy M13 5G phone. The display 16.55 centimeters and it has a 50 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. It has a 5000 mAh battery and a 15 watt fast charging. So let's unbox it. So we'll keep this aside. So this is the adapter. And this is the charger. It's a C-type charger. Here is the screen. It's very smooth and responsive. So you can see. Now I'll show you the photo and video quality. It has 1080p display. Now let's check its display quality. So I'll play this video. As you can see, it emits excellent color, but it lacks sharpness. Now we'll see the sound quality.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely
What is
on our
the
side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
As you heard the music in the video, the sound quality is not bad, but it has only one speaker, so you can't get surround music. So after keeping all these in mind, I tell it's a good buy for a moderate user, but gamers and editors will not be satisfied with its performance as it gets the basic Samsung processor. So this phone is not a good buy for gamers and editors, as keeping its price in mind, which cost around 15,000 rupees, it is a very good buy for moderate users, as they can provide us 5G for this price, and they can also give us a decent cameras for the phone's budget. So if you want a 5G phone in a budget of around 15 to 20,000, this is a perfect phone to go with. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you did not check my previous video where I had unboxed MacBook M1, so please check out the video.